In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team dashboard in Jira Cloud and share it so your team can view or edit it. I'll guide you through the process and include what permissions you might need, making it as simple as possible for you to follow along. To begin, let's make sure we're logged into Jira. Once you're in, direct your attention to the sidebar, or if it's more accessible, the top menu, and click on the Dashboards option. From there, you'll select Create Dashboard. This is your first building block for organizing your team's workflow. Moving on, freshly opened, you will need to give this new dashboard a name. Consider something intuitive like Team X Progress. This helps immediately convey its purpose to anyone who happens to access it. Accompany this with a brief description explaining the dashboard's intent or what kind of information it will gather. This way, teammates will understand its utility at a glance. Once you're satisfied with the name and description, go ahead and click Save. With that, your dashboard is officially born, but it's still in its infancy. Now, it's time to begin customizing. You'll find an option called Change Layout here. Use it to choose how many columns you want on your dashboard. The layout decision will depend on how you'd like to organize the information visually. Now, with the layout set, it's time to populate your dashboard with useful gadgets. These gadgets are crucial for providing real-time insights to your team. You can add a variety of gadgets, such as a list of open issues, a breakdown of issues by status, or even a burn-down chart if you're managing a Scrum project. You might also consider adding a pie chart to illustrate issue types or priorities, helping to visualize workflow statistics at a glance. Now that your dashboard is coming together, let's shift focus to sharing it. By default, Jira dashboards are private, meaning only you can see them. To share it with your team, navigate to the dashboard itself, then click on More Actions, represented by 3 dots. From there, select Rename or Share. This is where we'll manage our sharing settings. In the sharing options, determine who in your organization should have access. You can choose to share it with individual users, specific groups, project members, or perhaps make it available to all logged-in users, depending on your organization's policies. Remember, to share dashboards, it's imperative to have certain global permissions within Jira. These include the ability to share dashboards and filters, as well as the ability to browse users and groups. If you're not seeing sharing options, it's possible that you lack these permissions. Lastly, if you're working within a team-managed project, ensure that all members have the necessary project roles or access rights so they can view the gadgets or data displayed. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating and sharing a collaborative team dashboard in Jira Cloud. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough empowers you to better streamline your team's progress.